As teams ship faster and AI helps generate more code, human review has quietly become the bottleneck. That's why we built Optibot, a thoughtful code review agent that lives directly inside of GitHub and your IDE. My name is Mano, and I'm part of the founding team here at Optimal AI. Optibot acts like a workforce of specialized agents for code reviews and security. It takes on the tedious work and understands your entire code base to deliver high-quality reviews in minutes while never storing your code. We're excited to welcome you to Optimal AI and to bring Optibot into your team. Here's how one of our customers describes having Optibot on their team.
Optibot brings a lot of value to us. We are seeing improvements. It gives us not just specific to that specific line of code changes, but also more contextual reviews.
Appreciate the love, Anam. Now let's walk through how it works. We'll start with what happens the moment a pull request is opened. Step 1 is the automatic PR summary. When opened, Optibot generates a clear, readable summary that explains the change in plain language. Each summary condenses the PR into 3 key parts: what changed, why it changed, and the impact or potential effects on other parts of the system. Optibot highlights dependencies, affected modules, and any areas that might introduce regressions or require extra attention. And these summaries are fully customizable. You can get Optibot to make them short and high level or more detailed depending on team preference. Because as a teammate, you can talk to it. If you don't understand why it flagged a security risk, just reply in the comment thread. You can ask, where else is this function used? Or how do I fix this? And it generates the code block for you. Optibot always responds with clear explanations, suggested fixes, and example code when appropriate. Whether you're reviewing in GitHub or fixing issues directly inside Cursor or VS Code, Optibot stays with you throughout your whole workflow. Once the summary is done, Optibot goes deeper, reviewing the PR against your entire code base. It focuses on review quality, identifying issues like logic errors that could cause regressions, breaking API changes, and/or deviations from established architectural patterns. Each review mirrors how a senior engineer would review code, but delivered in minutes regardless of PR size. After identifying blocking issues, Optibot leaves line-level comments directly in GitHub just like a human reviewer would. Each comment explains what the issue is, why it matters, and where the risk comes from. And when possible, Optibot also suggests a safer alternative or fix with references to related files or dependencies so reviewers understand the full impact. And once you understand the issue, fixing it is immediate because Optibot lives right inside your editor, so you never have to leave your flow. Both the VS Code and Cursor extensions are available directly to install from their marketplaces. Within seconds, Optibot connects to your repositories and starts building context locally. This allows you to trigger Optibot in your IDE directly from a pull request by clicking Solve in VS Code or Cursor, which opens the relevant file and line instantly so you can address feedback without leaving your editor. You can trigger a code review on any file or branch with a single click, view all open pull requests and their review status, and jump directly to flagged lines or comments. And if you want to catch issues even earlier, you can run a pre-PR review. It will scan your changes against the full repository context, catching potential issues so problems get fixed before they reach GitHub. What really stands out is how interactive it feels. You can hover over a line to see inline feedback or talk to Optibot directly inside the editor and ask it things like, why is this risky, or show me a safer pattern. But Optibot doesn't just do code reviews. It also acts as specialized agents that handle the tedious work surrounding every release. For example, Optibot can automatically write release notes based on the pull requests that were merged so your team and customers stay on the same page without any extra effort. If a build breaks, the CI fixer agent digs through the logs, figures out what went wrong, and even opens a pull request to get your pipeline back to green. Instead of flooding your repo with dozens of tiny dependency updates, Optibot bundles them into one clean, verified change, making them easier to review and safer to merge. And when it comes to product specs, Optibot double checks your code against a linked Jira ticket and flags anything that doesn't match the original requirements. Just make sure your team has the Jira integration set up properly in the Optibot dashboard under integrations and then Jira. And remember, every team codes differently. Optibot is the most customizable agent on the market. Through a simple config file, you can enforce your specific architectural patterns, naming conventions, and best practices. You can teach Optibot your style once, and it enforces it forever. As it learns, reviews become even stronger over time. And because it's built directly into GitHub and your editor, it feels less like a tool and more like an actual teammate. If your team lives in Slack, Optibot keeps everyone aligned automatically. Every time a review is completed, Optibot posts a summary directly into your team's channel so you can see what changed, what issues were found, and what's ready for review next. You'll also get weekly impact reports showing how many reviews Optibot completed and how much time your team saved across the week. Connecting Optibot to Slack takes just a moment through the Optibot dashboard by going to integrations and then Slack. Beyond code reviews, you can optimize your entire development cycle with Insights. It helps you analyze cycle times, identify bottlenecks, and understand where your team can move faster. Together, Optibot and Insights give you a complete view of both code quality and engineering efficiency. For security-focused teams, Optibot is built for production environments and designed with zero data retention. Code is processed ephemerally through an enterprise-friendly GitHub app architecture. That's why large enterprises like MongoDB and Impulse trust Optibot in their workflow. If code reviews are slowing your team down, Optibot is designed to change that. And yes, it speaks your language, whether you write in Python, Go, TypeScript, Java, or C#, Optibot is optimized for your stack. It connects to GitHub, GitLab, Jira, Slack, and more in minutes. Click the link below or go to getoptimal.ai to get a demo or start your unlimited 2-week trial today. Thanks for joining us and hope to see you with Optibot on your team.